Here at Trotsky, we know farm gates won't close for December. Therefore, we will keep our doors open.
Trotsky, goeiedag.
Goeiemôre, dit is meneer Botes. Sê my, wanneer maak julle toe?
Ons maak nie toe Desember nie, meneer. Jy kan enige tyd aparte bestel.
Man, maar dit is goeie nuus. Baie dankie en 'n lekker dag.
Totsiens, meneer. Bye.
For all your emergency spare parts, we will keep stock. Just give us a call and we can arrange a courier, or you can come and collect yourself. We would like to take this chance to thank each and every customer. We would like to wish you and your family a happy festive season. If you're going to be on the roads, please be safe